Division method to find square root. At the end of this topic, you will be able to find the square root of a perfect square number using the division method. Find the square root of a number which is not a perfect square using division method. Find the square root of a decimal number using the division method. Learn about properties of square root. Solve problems related to square roots and squares. Let us begin the topic by finding the square root of the number which is a perfect square. Consider a number 784. Now, we don't know if this number is a perfect square or not a perfect square. To find out is it a perfect square or not, we can apply a method which is called as the division method. We don't know whether the given number is a perfect square or not because 784 is ending with 4. Some of the perfect squares end with 4 and some of the perfect squares do not end with 4. Let us find out what is the square root of 784 using the division method. Whenever you are finding out the square root of a given number using the division method, you have to follow a procedure, that is, pairing two numbers from right side. Here, we pair 84 as first pair and the number 7 will be left alone like this as there is no pair for 7. The next step is, we must find out what is the nearest number to 7 that can be taken to get the square of a number. Here is an example to understand this better. Consider a number 1 and multiply with 1 to check if it is near to 7 or not. Next, consider 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Next, consider 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 is more than 7, so we cannot take it. Therefore, the nearest perfect square for the number 7 is 2. 1 2 we have to take as divisor and another 2 we have to take as quotient. 2 into 2 is 4, so write 4 here. 7 minus 4 is 3, so write 3 here. Next, we have to drop down the remaining numbers. Let us drop 84 at a time and double the quotient as well. That is, double the number 2, which is equal to 4.